2020 Honda Accord Hybrid. With less than 71,000 miles on the odometer, this sedan combines safety and comfort with style and performance. You'll love this long list of impressive amenities, which include the following: cross-traffic alert, lane keeping assist, side view mirrors with turn signals, lane departure warning, satellite radio, premium sound system, multi-zone air conditioning, blind spot monitor, heated side view mirrors, leather seats. This stylish, long-lasting ride won't last long, so hurry!